Okay, so today I'm just going to go over real quick how to develop a full environmental life cycle estimate using IDEAL and the Envision cost models. Just real quick on IDEAL and Envision. IDEAL is a full cost model development platform, and Envision is a complete set of over 100 cost models for estimating environmental remediation built and delivered in IDEAL. So what we're going to do first is we're going to assume that we have a new project, and we're going to just go grab a model to estimate that project. We're going to go ahead and open up the library of Envision models available to us, and we're going to choose to estimate the cost of air sparging, our contamination. So we just take the air sparging model and we pull it over into the canvas here. Okay, so the air sparging model will load up. And we're just going to run the root node here so that we can answer some short questions about the project. The way IDEAL and the models are set up is to ask required, then secondary, then tertiary parameters. As the name suggests, only the required parameters are needed. So we really only have to answer about 5 parameters in order to get a complete cost estimate. So I'm going to put an acreage here of 2. And I'm going to choose a soil type, just the first one that comes up, gravel sand. And then let's say an average well depth of 20 feet. And I will keep the screen length and I will let the model calculate the rest of the defaults. As you can see, there's a lot that you can provide, not only on the required tab, but on the secondary and tertiary tab, including some markups. So we're just going to go ahead and close this and let the model calculate. And right there you have a full life cycle estimate of 1.6 million. And if we like, we can show you all the activities that the model did not select based on your inputs. You can of course come in here and enable any of these activities or technologies to include them in your estimate. Okay, so let's say that we wanted to do a quick what if and try out another technology other than air sparging. And we're just going to go ahead and open up a new canvas and go back to the library real quick. And we're going to select another technology, two-phase extraction, that can be used for a similar type of cleanup. Then we'll just drag that onto the canvas. Okay, so IDEAL opens up the model and we run the root node. Again, we're going to enter the same values, 2 for acreage, gravel sand, and 20 feet for average well depth. We'll let the model calculate the defaults. And we're just going to go ahead and take a quick look at the secondary and tertiary tabs, and we'll let the model calculate now. So you can see, you can immediately compare the cost of 1.6 for air sparging versus the 1.7 for two-phase extraction. Of course, you can open this up and compare activities or technologies. The model selected based on the same inputs. You can see off gas is in both cases, ex situ process samples, and you'll notice a difference in that the wells installation did not include the installation and startup for the injection wells. You can of course go in and enable that if you'd like it. So that's it. You've just developed now 2 full life cycle estimates to compare the different technologies for an environmental cleanup estimate. Be on the lookout for new videos coming out soon. Thank you.